Hello, activity tax 9, present by Angelica Gomez Angel, December 2021. Question and answer. Personal information. Question is, what's your full name? My name is Angelica Gomez Angel. What are you from? I'm from Ibagué. How are you? How old are you? I am 43 years old. What is your email address? My email is angelicagomezan@gmail.com. What do you do? I am a student. What do you live? I live in Ibagué. Describe the place where do you live. I live in Ibagué, in the national town. My town is small. There are 7 blocks. There are many watered house with necessary food ducts. I live in front of a school. My house is large. It has 3 floors. I live in the first apartment together with my children and my dog Toby. My apartment has 2 bedroom, living room, dining room, kitchen, and living room. It is very nice and comfortable. Personality. The personality. What are your hobbies? My hobbies is watching movies with my children. What's your favorite food? My favorite food is fish and salads. What's your favorite mood? Why? My favorite mood is chills because it has action and suspense and beautiful ending to continue with another second movie. What's your favorite book? Why? And why? My favorite book is the story and cheaper request man, because it's the story of overcoming adversity in life. Mention some or qualities. Answer this. Qualities, positive qualities. I am respectful. I am responsible. I am creative. And negative qualities. I am the chef. I am very cringe. I am nervous. Okay. And the roots and wheat plants. The root and wheat plants. Entonces, my daily routes is usually on wheat diets. I get out 5 a.m. I wash my face, I brush my teeth, I get dressed, and then I have breakfast with my families around 7 and 15. We usually have boiled eggs, meal, with toast, butter, and ham. I start working at 8 o'clock. I middle, I had lunch, and then I continue working. I arrive home at 6 o'clock. I watch TV with my children. I had a shower at midnight in the evening, and then I have dinner. Finally, I put on my pajamas. I brush my teeth. and I go sleep at 10 o'clock. Okay. And what do you usually do on weekends? I usually go biking with my children and visited my aunt Anna. I love Anna. Bueno, and a significant person in your my life. And significant my person in your life, my life. In my life is my father. My father is an important person in my life. His name is Nelson Gomez. He is 71 years old. He is pensioner, and his health might take care of my children. My father is tall. He is a very boy. He has his round. He is are brown. He hair is short. His hair is black. He is wearing a blue shirts and jeans and brown shoes. My father is generous. He is very collaborative with my family, and he is always of everyone. The negative about my father is that he has a strong character, but I love him very much. Another chart, some experiences, and an experience that my youth feel happy. An experience that me happy are my children. Sign they come into my life. I am happy. Happier they are my joy. My joy. They are my needs. The movie forward. They make me very happy with their sporting and academic advances. They are my best experiences in my life. I love you very much. And description an event that made you feel sad, nervous, or worried. I bad experience is loss on my two uncles and a cousin by my father. This year's the COVID pandemic and the lives of my relatives, and that makes me very sad. My uncles and my cousin left, and now then I will see again or share with them sign the moments with them were very pleasant. Thanks and thank you very much and by your attention. Bye.